Hey guys, I just wanted to make a short video on this. When I was in school, I used to take and use one of these glass bowls just like this, except it wasn't a pretty one like this one, just a plain white one. And I would make, if I was in a hurry in the morning for breakfast, I would always use these to make my breakfast. So let me show you what I used to do. Alright, first thing you do is take a little bit of vegetable oil or canola, you just spray it in. Then you take and put 2 eggs in and as much black pepper as you like, want, or need. And then you stir it up really good. Let me get this stirred up and we'll come back to it. Alright, once you get it mixed up, you just take a napkin or a paper towel. When you put it in the microwave, you want to cover this up. You want to just make like a little tin over it to protect it in case it does explode. The eggs don't go everywhere. Alright guys, this is what it comes out after 2 minutes in the microwave. And you make sure you cover it. It didn't explode or anything, but every once in a while you'll get one. And you just reach in it, it comes right out. Pop it down on your piece of cheese. And you can put whatever condiment you want on it. Alright guys, there's your sandwich. Egg, cheese, bread. It's a quick, easy thing you gotta do if you have to run off real quick. It takes about 3 minutes to do totally. Y'all have a great one.